Billboard Facebook, 18 did that with SB19 fans claiming victory in BB Fan Army 2026. They've set a new record for the most wins in the bracket 12 years history. It's 18th fourth consecutive victory which allows them to pull ahead of Paris Queen for the most wins since the nearly annual competition originated in 2014. Nagdiriwang nga ngayon ang maraming 18 dahil sa pagwawagi nila sa pang-apat na pagkakataon sa Billboard Fan Army Face-Off. Ito po ay hindi basta-basta dahil talaga namang puyat, dugot, pawis ang kanila nga pong inilaan para po matalo ang lahat ng naka-lineup or naging katunggali ng SB19 at makarating sa finals. At ngayong 2026, muli nga pong nasungkit ng 18 ang pagwawagi sa pang-apat na pagkakataon. Well, deserve ng 18 na basahin at pakinggan natin ang kanilang naging say matapos ang victory. Mula sa kanilang naging say, let's make it 5 muna bago magpahinga. Mag-Grand Slam tayo next year, ha ha ha. Say ng mga 18, ha ha ha, pwede na bang magpahinga next year? Congratulations mga kambing, hindi pwede one win to go muna, baka if famous na sila, di na yan sila isali uli. Feel ko di pa rin magpapahinga, ha ha ha, going for 5 feet. Taray, sige, ilaban natin habang isinasama tayo ni Billboard, ha ha ha. Napansin naman ang 18 to, dito lang daw talaga magkapatid, magkapamilya, magkaibigan ang 18, say nila. The voting, pero pag ticket na daw, biglang wala ng pansinan. 18, wag munang maligo, baka mapasma, congrats sa ating lahat. As usual, worth the labor of love. Grabe, di talaga tayo magpapatalo. Mga kambing mana sa bossing. Billboard mag-ingay na naman. Congratulations fellow 18, literal na walang tulugan ang peg. Congrats sa 18 mga Cubs at SB19, magsipagtulog na tayo at maligo tapos na ang laban. Hindi pa dyan, nagtatapos ang naging opinion ng mga 18. Say pa nila, nakakakilig Philippines pa, hinamon nila, keyboard warrior tayo. Proud 18 na nagpuyat sa website. We 18 may not be the most in numbers, but rest assured we are the most dedicated fandom in this present generation. Congratulations fellow Cubs and Cubs, next year ulit. Congratulations SB19 and 18. Congratulations 18, magsiligo na tayo. Isang napaka-positibong sagot naman ang ibinigay ng 18 na ito sa isang basher. Say kasi ni Jessica Trazona, ang tanong, may pakialam ba dyan si Harley and Bruno Mars? At sa iba, ahaha, puro sold out ang mga concert nila, world tour at ang capacity 25 to 100,000 at ang mga fans iba't ibang lahi. Samantalang mga Pinoy nagpupuyat kakaboto sa maliit na bagay pero ang venue 1 to 2,000 capacity hindi pa ma-sold out. Ito na po ang sagot ng isang 18. Aniya, that's okay if wala silang pakialam. A small win is still a win for us. We will do anything that will give us hope na iingay ang pangalan ng SB19 through this and hope na may ma-curious who is SB19 and bakit masipag mag-vote ang fans nila. And they also sell out concerts and have fans abroad. Some venues of their So World Tour sold out and were more than just 1 to 2,000 capacity. Though comparing them to Bruno Mars is a little unfair since he is already a well-established name in the industry and has been for many years already. Years before SB19 debuted and we all look up to him. He is a great artist. If this win doesn't mean something to you, it does to us. Please don't rain on our parade. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.